Okay, so using what we learned in the last section, we are going to build our first LED circuit. With this resistor and this LED here, using our Arduino as a power source. So right now I have a USB hub, USB to connect the Arduino, some male-to-male jumper wires. Male-to-male basically means pointy on both sides, so it's 2-pin sides. And then 2 long male-to-male connectors for power. So I chose white and red just arbitrarily. You can use any color, it doesn't matter. And a breadboard. Alright, so let's get started. So first I will be starting with my breadboard. Let me get a better view of this. Okay, cool. Plug in my USB hub to my computer. Now I will attach the USB cable for the Arduino here. But I'm not going to plug it in yet. So I always like to build my circuits first and then power the board once everything's complete. So I'll put that here for now. So when I look at the LED, one pin is longer than the other. If we go close, one pin is longer than the other. So I'm going to take the long pin, which is the positive side, and just point it to my right. So this side is longer, it's going to be pointed to my right, and I'm going to insert it onto the breadboard here. Like so, and I'll bend it so you can see it like there. Doesn't matter where you put it as long as it's on one of these and not on the top rungs. Second, I'm going to put my red wire into the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. I'm going to plug that into the red section on the red rungs over here. And take my white wire, plug it into the ground pin of the Arduino. Then I'm going to plug that into the blue pin on the breadboard. Oh, looks like I have a male to female. Let me grab a male to male pin. Okay, so here's the male-to-male jumper pin for white. So I'm going to plug that into ground in the blue. Like I mentioned before, we do it live. So you're going to see me correct any mistakes I make live in front of you, because some of you guys might have the same issue. Okay, then I'm going to take my resistor and find the same row that it's on. And I am going to start with one leg in the same column as the negative, or as the positive here. I'll put it on the positive side so you guys can see. And then I'm going to bend it and then put it on. You can put it on any of these other columns here that are empty. So right here, they're in the same column for the positive side of the LED. Negative side is clean. And now I'm going to power and set up the power for the circuit. Let's take a pin from the negative and I will put it here onto the negative pin of the LED column. So resistor goes on the positive side of the LED. The white wire goes to the negative pin. This is going to go to the ground section. That is it for the ground. Now for the positive side, I'm going to take an orange wire and I'm going to put it in the far section of the resistor and then put that into the red column for positive. And that's it. So the way this is going to work is current is going to come from the red wire, go into this section here, into the red section. It's going to go into the orange wire. Orange wire is going to feed this resistor. Resistor is going to go into the LED. LED is going to come back and go into the ground section, where it goes back to the ground and follows this ground wire back to the Arduino ground. So when I plug in this Arduino cable, the resistor will light up. And voila, there is your first circuit using the breadboard with an Arduino as a power source. Thank you.